Hey guys, it's Brooke from Hayes Humble Homestead, and it is fall. We're really close to winter, and I just want to show you guys what we do for our asparagus in the winter. We have asparagus and strawberries in this bed, and I am going to trim the asparagus down. It's the end of the season. We actually only planted here, and it spread on its own to the other, but we're going to clean it up real quick. I forgot the tripod, so bear with me here. So when your asparagus turns yellow or brown, this is yellow and brown right now, you're going to trim it off, clear at the ground, and then we're going to mulch over it. I'm trying not to move right now because the leaves are loud. We're going to mulch with these leaves right over the top of it. Natural leaf litter. Our strawberries actually survive super well, and I need to thin these too and give the asparagus a little bit more room. But I am going to chop, and you can either chop and drop, or you can chop and you can put them in your compost pile. I'm literally just chopping them all down. So this is what I have. They are pretty close. I'll probably trim these down just a little bit more. These longer ones, this is kind of what you want. And then I'm just going to mulch it over with the leaves. And this guy will come back up in the spring. I'm going to take these, put some leaves over the top, and bam. Now, I told you guys we could chop and drop this, but the truth is we don't want to drop this in the bed where our asparagus is growing because it gives the asparagus beetle a place to overwinter and stay. So this is going to go to our compost pile, or you can, we have like some layered mulch here. This one, this one has onions, and we're not going to put it in there. This one also has onions, so we're also not going to put the asparagus here. But nonetheless, you can throw it. This is just a layered compost, and we do that sometimes too, to just break it down and don't necessarily have to take it to the compost pile, but it will break down and give us that organic matter in the soil still.